What's up, YouTube? Gabe Bauman with Out Day Firewood. Well, originally, right now my channel is called Firewood. I ended up changing it again. I'm just out here fishing in the pond. Don't know where my bobber went, but I really need to find it. It's a little hot out here, humid. And yeah. I only caught 3 fish, and it really was just babies, to be honest. Something I would use for a catfish bait if I had it. Well, I was cleaned off, but I guess we're going to call it a day because I don't want to use all my worms to where I have some for tomorrow, because tomorrow's a Memorial Day weekend, or this weekend's a Memorial Day weekend, but tomorrow's actually Memorial Day, and I want to be able to fish more. Tomorrow I'll try to be outside all day tomorrow as much as I can. Well, who the last one to have fire there wasn't me. I know I burnt all of it. I got enough at least. I got one big old night crawler in there I'll save for tomorrow. Let's go back to the house. There's fucking trash right there. There's a bobber there. How do we end up with bobbers all over the place? There's no telling. Might be lucky. My blue heeler come to rescue me. What are you doing, baby? Look at her. Yeah, I barked. But yeah, it's my blue heeler. I smell cedar. Alright, y'all, let's head back in the house. Go back to my room. And then go put up the worms. Oh boy. That's going to be loud on the video. For sure. Put this over here. Hopefully tomorrow, y'all, I can find some more worms. And I can make some more fishing videos for you all. But everyone that was traveling or camping this weekend, Memorial weekend, this video probably won't get put out until I want to say Tuesday or Wednesday. So I hope you all have a wonderful night and be safe travels, and don't do anything I would do, y'all. Bauman's Out Day Firewood out. Peace. Catch y'all on the next one. Bye.